Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Tabnine. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tabnine.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tabnine website. Now from the home page, click on the login or sign up button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the login portal, in order to change your password, click on the Forgot Password button underneath the email box. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used to sign up and then click on Send Reset Instructions. Once you click on this button, you will need to check your inbox. So check your inbox and you will find an email from Tabnine. Just open up this email and click on the link within and you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. After creating your new password, you can click on the sign in button and you can now use your new password along with your email address to sign into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can change your password on Tabnine. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.